Hey everyone, welcome back to ShopSmart, your go-to channel for honest reviews on tech gadgets that make everyday life smarter and safer. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. It keeps you updated with unbiased breakdowns like this one, helping you shop smarter without the hype. Today, we're diving into the Csyibeielec KK08 Dashcam front and rear review. Is it good? Is it worth it? If you're thinking about adding a dash cam to your car for peace of mind on the road, stick around because we're breaking it all down. And just a quick note, the link to this product is in the description below if you want to check it out yourself. Imagine you're cruising down the highway and suddenly something unexpected happens. A close call with another driver, or maybe you spot something suspicious while parked. That's where a reliable dash cam comes in, capturing every detail so you're never left guessing. The Csyibeielec KK08 is a dual camera setup designed for just that, with front and rear recording to cover your vehicle from multiple angles. Let's start with the basics. This is a 4K HD dashcam for cars, compatible with everything from buses and minivans to RVs and trucks. It mounts easily on your windshield and comes in a sleek black color that blends right in. One of the standout features here is the video quality. The front camera records an ultra-high definition 4K at 3840 by 2160p, while the rear hits 1080p. That's sharp enough to catch license plates, road signs, and even pedestrians clearly. Paired with a 170-degree field of view up front and 150 degrees in the rear, it gives you a wide-angle perspective that minimizes blind spots. And for those nighttime drives, it has superior night vision with HDR and UHD technology, ensuring vivid colors and clear details even in low light or tricky conditions. If you've ever worried about blurry footage when it matters most, this setup aims to deliver reliability. Now let's talk tech smarts. The KK08 has built-in 5G Wi-Fi for faster wireless data transfer, so you can connect to an app on your smartphone or computer for easy control and video sharing, perfect for quickly pulling clips if needed. There's also integrated GPS to track your location, speed, and route, adding that extra layer of context to your recordings. Safety-wise, the G sensor detects sudden movements or impacts, automatically locking and protecting key footage so it doesn't get overwritten. And with 64 gigs loop recording on the included TF card, which supports up to 256 gigs, it keeps rolling without you having to worry about storage running out. For parking peace of mind, there's a 24-hour parking monitor mode that switches to time-lapse recording when your car is stationary, though it does require an additional ACC hardwire kit. The 3.2-inch IPS screen lets you view footage right on the device, and connectivity options like Bluetooth round out the package. Everything you need is included: the main dash cam, rear camera, 64 gigs TF card, user manual, and even 3 electrostatic stickers for mounting. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far and it's helping you decide, go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps the channel reach more people looking for straightforward reviews like yours. So back to the big questions in the Csyibeielec KK08 Dashcam front and rear review. Is it good? Based on the specs, yeah, it seems solid for what it offers. With 4.8 out of 5 stars from 48 customer reviews on Amazon, users are praising its clear dual recording, night vision, and ease of use. Features like the G sensor, app control, and wide-angle lenses make it a practical choice for everyday drivers who want protection without complexity. It's not the flashiest brand out there. Csyibeielec focuses on functional auto electronics, but for reliability on the road, it checks a lot of boxes. And is it worth it? At the current promotional price of $79.99, that's 50% off the typical $159.99, it feels like a strong value for a 4K dual dash cam with GPS, Wi-Fi, and a 64 gig card thrown in. If you're on a budget but need something that covers front and rear with night vision and parking mode, this could save you headaches down the line. Of course, always check if it fits your specific vehicle setup, but for the price, it's positioned as an accessible entry into better road safety. Wrapping this up, if this review helped clarify whether the Csyibeielec KK08 is right for you, remember the link is in the description. And honestly, if you end up grabbing it through that affiliate link, it supports my work here on YouTube a ton, letting me keep bringing you these honest takes without any sponsorship pressure. It means a lot and helps the channel grow. If you haven't already, subscribe to ShopSmart for more reviews that cut through the noise. Next up, we're tackling some budget smart home gadgets. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.